Welcome back to another video, everyone, and this is the 200 subscriber specials because we hit 200 subscribers. But before we do any of that, oh crap, we're not even ready with the video yet. What am I doing? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another video. And I know I said I was gonna do the Windows 10 Upgrade Saga, but in order to do that, I need Windows 8.1 on the machine for like the most authentic experience. So I'm pretty sure you know what I got on this USB flash drive here, Windows 8.1. So what have we done with this Dell Inspiron 5566 before? We've put Windows 10 on it, we've put Windows 11 on it. It's time to put Windows 8.1 on it, because, you know, the last 3 Windows versions, you know? Alright, so let's get this thing open. And first, I'm probably going to plug the flash drive in. Then we're going to get this thing open, change some settings, and hope everything works. Alright, so let's boot this thing up and spam F12. Okay. It booted up first try. Wow, okay. I thought I was going to have to do something. Alright, so first we got to make sure that UEFI is enabled, secure boot on. So let's just boot from partition 1, I guess. Let's just hope that it doesn't boot into Windows 11. I don't want it to boot into Windows 11. Like, please just don't boot into Windows 11. Because, yes, this thing is still running Windows 11. And the sign that we have a different loading animation, like, really helps. Oh, and there we go, Windows 8. So it is booting off the flash drive here. Let's do English United States. Yeah, that's where I am. Install now. Setup is starting. And let's just, I'll be back. Oh, never mind. Oh, God, we got to put in a product key. Yay, and there's no skip button. Because this was Windows 8.1 where there was no skip button. So I'll be right back after putting in the product key. Alright, and we're back. And the version we're getting is Windows 8.1 Pro. That's going to be very crazy. So let's accept the license agreement here. Also, by the way, thanks for Timeless for providing the ISO for this thing. So that's very, very nice. Thanks, Timeless. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Alright, so this is the drive, and we have to say goodbye to everything, including all of my personal data. Let's get rid of all of it. And there's no turning back now, guys. We have officially, well, not yet. I'll be back when this is formatted. Windows cannot be installed. Let's show details. Alright, this thing. I'll be right back. Alright, so we did it. Let's go next. Yay, now it's time to let Windows install. Yay, this is gonna take forever. I'll be back once this is done. Bye. Alright, we're at the personalized screen. So, let's choose, let's go with this green. Because, you know, green. Let's call this, 10 Upgrade Saga. Express settings, sure, let's use express settings. Alright, time to type in my name. I'll type in Rootwick. And we won't put a password here, because, yeah. Finalizing your settings. Hi. We're setting things up for you. This isn't the first time I've used Windows 8.1, but I've actually never used Windows 8, you know, normal Windows 8. You can get new apps from the store. Well, not anymore. You can't get new apps anymore. Let's start. And oh my gosh, guys, we've got Windows 8.1 on the Dell Inspiron 5566. I don't even know what to say. We've got the old recycle bin. Ah, what a wonderful day. I just installed Windows 8.1 on my computer. No VM. So anyways, you can see the start button is here, and let's open up the start menu, shall we? What the hell is this? Alright, so we actually got Windows 8.1 installed. And we can see we've got the craziest thing ever. Let's see what what themes we've got. What is this? Okay, this is I think this is meant for touchscreens. Oh, our touchscreen driver works. That's nice. So yeah, we can open up the start menu here. We can where's the all apps menu? Where's the all apps menu? Oh, there we go. You have to slide like this. There we go. There's the all apps menu. So we've got embedded lockdown manager, sticky notes, command prompt, this PC, all that stuff. We've got some app called Reader. Don't know what that is. Sound recorder. Let's check out the sound recorder. Let sound recorder access the microphone. Allow. And yeah, let's just record something. Hello, this is me, 7Zeb, installing Windows 8.1 on the Dell Inspiron 5566. Let's see if this actually works. What is the play button? There it is. Hello, this is me, 7Zeb, installing Windows 8.1 on the Dell Inspiron 5566. Alright, so the audio drivers actually work and the microphone also works. And we can see this crazy keyboard. Wow. So we get to start by just doing this. Oh, that's how you get to the desktop. Yeah, I've actually not used Windows 8.1 like daily driving it. I've only used it in like VMs. And even then, I've never really used the touchscreen capabilities of it. So yeah, we can see we've got pictures. What else should we look at? We've got OneDrive and OneNote. Oh wait, there's OneNote on here? OneNote just looks crazy. There was a problem signing you in. I think I know why. Let's get this thing connected to the internet and see if you can still use Windows 8.1 on the internet in 2024. Oh, and of course it's like this. And no connections are available. View and full screen. Alright, we're not connected. They're Ethernet. So yeah, apparently there's only Ethernet. Well, I've got the Ethernet thing. I think you know what I'm doing. I'll be right back. Alright, so we plugged an Ethernet cable in, and it says connected. So, let's try going on the internet, shall we? Alright, let's go, open up the start menu, go to Internet Explorer, the mobile version of IE. Oh, this is the mobile version of IE. This is, like, completely amazing. And you can see why people hated Windows 8.1. Yeah. Just go to google.com. Google.com, press enter, and there's a problem with this website security certificate. Yeah, let's just go not recommended. Oh, and there we go, we're on the internet. That's right, we got the Google homepage, and we definitely made this device very, very bad. And we got a pop-up here. Do you want to find PCs, devices, and content on this network and automatically connect to devices like printers and TVs? Yeah, let's like not do that. And let's try going to my website here. Oh my god, it actually loaded the website. Wait, what? It's actually loading the website. Welcome to the 7... Okay, yeah, there we go. And we also got center title bar text. This was last seen in early Windows Longhorn builds, so it's crazy to have it now. Oh god, I almost dropped my phone, so yeah. And we can see here that this is version 86 of the website. Oh, and you can't scroll down with the trackpad apparently. Yeah, that is not possible. To scroll down, you have to use the touchscreen, which I'm very grateful this computer's touchscreen driver actually worked. And we can see my newest video here. Does it play though? That's the biggest question. Will it play my newest video? Which currently, as of me recording, is not this. It's the Windows 8.1 start menu thing. So, yeah. Subscriber count 204. Nice. We got the Windows 10 Upgrade Saga. I'm working on that. Major news in tech. Oh, yeah, by the way, happy birthday to Windows XP and Windows 7. Very nice. And Windows 8 is turning 12 tomorrow. Not 8.1, just 8. So, this might be pretty timed. I don't know when I'm going to upload this. Probably like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, because the day I'm recording this is October 25th. We can see we can go. Oh, this is how you do back, I think. Wait, I just saw it. Yeah, you drag, you go to Google, and then you go here. This is just this. This just looks very crazy. I don't even know why. No, I thought this is how you go back to the start menu, but apparently not. So we have all these apps open. How do we like close out of them? Do we like just do this? I don't know, like this or this. Oh, come on. Okay, I can't use these gestures to save my life. I think it's like that. Yeah, I think we closed OneNote there. Yeah, we did. All right, so let's just Alt Tab and then let's close everything. This is probably like the bad. Oh, and this is the other. This is the desktop version of IE. So I guess we can go to my website here as well. And of course it works, so yeah, that's pretty nice. And of course we're just gonna close out of that. Alt Tab to settings. Oh, we can change this stuff. So yeah, very nice. We can change it, but we can't because it says Windows is not activated. You need to activate Windows. That's pretty weird. So yeah, the lock screen is also much different. For some reason, this actually feels much smoother than Windows 11 and 10. Don't know why. There we go. There's Windows 8.1's lock screen, and it is not 3:01 p.m. That was just weird, and I didn't even click anything, and it automatically logged us in. So that's nice, I guess. There we go. Now, let's check out the charms bar. Window key C. There we go. And so yeah, this is the charms bar. That looks like the Ubuntu logo. Does this look like the Ubuntu logo? Like, tell me, does that actually look like the Ubuntu logo? Oh wow, we got one of these full screen pop-ups. Very, very annoying. Windows Update needs your help. Windows Update hasn't been able to check for new updates for the last 30 days. Yeah, we installed this today. I don't know what you're saying. Go to Windows Update to resolve this issue. Well, there's probably no Windows Updates anymore because Windows 8.1 ended support last year. So, yeah. Anyways, that's basically not going to end it for this video. Or is it? Anyways, let's just, we cannot right-click, apparently. There we go. Personalize. Okay, so it is like this. Alright, there is kind of a Windows arrow here. Let's change the desktop background. Let's change it to whatever this is. No, wait, that looks like the thing in like early Windows 10 builds. Yeah, that is. I want to change it to this, and I think you know why. There we go. That's nice. And as you can see, it's now green. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.